very low oil and no sticky, no burn. You can see here this place very low oil. You can see this masala, or you can see here this place no sticky. You can see here this area no burn, very less oil. For testing purpose in burning and sticking, I added a boiled potato in here. So you can see it looks more dense, and you can see this place. No burning, you can easily, if you rub it, you can see here just something is burned, but if you more rub it, no sticky. You can see here the place is very natural non-stick. You can see here you burn it, and if you have burn, then rub it with it, and you can see here no burn. And then I'm gonna add some gram here. Now I have already cooked this gram. So you can see there are no over oil, and this gram already cooked. You can see here. And I have added kasuri methi and korma masala and flavor and taste very nice. I have added very less amount of mustard oil and cooked a delicious taste, no doubt is very good. So it proved that cast iron is a natural non-stick metal. So I have shut down